up, you guys?
I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch get slick, I'ma cut the bitch.
It's your girl, Kata Siobhan, and this is Kata's Queendom. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've missed you guys. Oh my fucking god, I miss you. How you been, Bookie? Did my hair again, as you can see. Yeah, I tried Faux Locs. And I did a different method this time than I normally do. Normally, I like burn the ends of the hair because I know no better. But then we get all sticky and stuff, and so I didn't like that. So this time, I just kept wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until there was no more wrap. And I like that method better. My only complaint, however, is I wanted like colored locks. Oh my god. I wanted this freaking hairstyle for like 3 or 4 weeks now, and I just had to keep pushing my nail appointment and my hair back because stuff would just keep happening. Amazon had me bent. Amazon had me all the way bent. I ended up having to reorder the locks and the hair and shit like 3 times. And then I just ended up with all black because I was tired of trying to fight with colors. But I really like the hairstyle. It's been giving. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I finally got my life together for real. There's going to be a life update video coming after this one. So be on the lookout for that because I'm going to be spilling the tea, sis. I'm going to let y'all know what's been going on with me. Yeah. Enjoy the video. And now we're finally here. So I'm excited about this. I'm finally getting to get cutified and everything is falling into place. I have already gotten pretty far, as y'all can see, at least with like attachment and stuff. I still have to do like the wrapping part. But I wanted to like part and everything first and then go back and wrap. Hey, say hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
You wanna go? I love my job. That part up there is messing up my parts. No, this part over here is messing up my parts. It's pissing me off. Ouch.
We are, we're superstar. Reality.
Also, when I finish this back part, can we watch a movie? I'm tired of video games. Alright, last lock to install. Alright, we're all installed. Now we need to wrap. I need to break it though, so I'll be back in like 20.
A few moments later.
I have started wrapping on this side. I am exhausted. I need to eat something, and then we will see if I will continue today. I feel like I'll be able to finish it during the day before I have to go and run my errands. Over finishing it tonight. I don't think it's gonna happen. Y'all see me in the morning. Bye.
Tomorrow for sure.
Good morning, my lovelies. It is 6 a.m. Like I said, we had already started over here, so we had a decent amount done. But now we just gotta get to the rest of it. I am tired, but this is the life of a bad bitch. Last look. I mean, super excited about it. Shoot.
Yeah, powers just went out.
What? Oh my god. Alrighty. So we are done. We are officially finished. Then I have a nail appointment after this. Y'all stay tuned for that. It's coming within the next like 2 hours or so. Excited.
2 hours later.
So I am getting ready to go to my nail appointment. I finished my hair this morning. Yeah. So our Uber was probably here now. I'll see you at the nail salon. I've been waiting so long for this transition. I'm at the nail salon. I love these massage chairs. They're so nice. Picking a color, but it's so hard. Ryan, can you help me pick a color? It's not that basic. There's so many different kinds of pink. Haven't got them yet, so I don't know which one that is. You don't know because of what color. I don't know what color she has, so I don't know what's gonna.
I could see that. So you do the same color for your nail or pick different?
I might pick something a little different. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Baby, yeah. You know y'all want to support me. Y'all know y'all love me. I also have some new announcements and some new drops coming soon. So please be on the lookout for that. I'm going to be dropping the mother. I don't think y'all going to be ready. If I'll be honest, I don't think y'all are ready. I think that we all knew this day was a long time coming. Like, if you know me, you knew this day was coming. But I don't think y'all are ready regardless. And tune in next time. Bye. Love you.